It's happening. It's actually happening. Mazda, yes, that Mazda, is finally bringing back one of the most legendary names in JDM history. A spiritual successor to the RX-7 is almost here. And no, this isn't just another concept car that disappears into vaporware oblivion. This is real. This is Rotary reborn. This is iconic. At the 2023 Japan Mobility Show, Mazda showed us the iconic SP, a stunning, wide-hipped, Coke bottle-shaped beauty painted in Viola Red. It screamed 90s nostalgia but whispered next-gen tech. 2 doors, rear-wheel drive, rotary heart, and 365 horses ready to unleash hell. But here's the twist. It's a hybrid. Yeah, a dual-rotor rotary engine paired with electric magic. It's not just fast, it's the future. Mazda's not messing around. This isn't a Miata replacement. It's bigger, badder, meaner. And it's not called RX-7. At least not yet. RX-9? Maybe. A new name? Possibly. But one thing's for sure. It's got the soul of Hiroshima's finest engineers behind it. The same minds that brought us the RX-7 and RX-8 are back at it again. They never gave up on the rotary. Not for a second. Now hold on, because the Miata isn't going anywhere. Oh no, baby. Mazda's still cooking up a 5th-gen MX-5 with a brand new Skyactiv Z gas engine, naturally aspirated. Manual transmission, pure driving bliss. It's Jinba Itai, baby, horse and rider as one. The legacy continues. But wait, there's more. Mazda's even restoring 1st-gen Miatas back at their HQ. We're talking frame-off, factory-grade, nostalgia-soaked restorations. And they're thinking about doing RX-7s too. This isn't a brand giving up on its past. This is a brand doubling down on it. So buckle up. The rotary revolution is almost here. The legend is being reborn. The question is, are you ready?